Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials: the exact username, the linked email, and the phone number tied to the account. Once done, open the device you normally use to sign in because browsers or OS keychains often store passwords. Check saved passwords under Settings. If you can, have access to your email and SMS now. Make sure recovery codes or two-factor devices are reachable. These steps speed up verification and let you choose the quickest recovery path when you hit the platform's password options. You now follow the platform's recovery flow. Select Forgot Password and enter your username or linked email. Then, monitor the inbox and spam folders for the reset link. Check SMS for one-time codes because some services send both. If prompted to verify identity, follow prompts exactly, upload a photo ID or answer security questions, and provide recent login locations if requested. Make sure to use the same device and IP range when possible, as that reduces friction and speeds up automated approval. You finish by creating a strong new password and saving it in a password manager so you won't repeat this. Once reset, review active sessions and revoke any unfamiliar logins, then update recovery email and phone. If the reset fails or you're locked out, escalate to support. Provide timestamps, device details, and ID as proof. If you don't get a response, retry verification steps and document each attempt. This documentation helps support restore access and prevents repeated lockouts in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.